I could play.
Press B because that's custom games.
Chinto kill kill. Chinto kill kill. Kill kill.
Hang on, can I check something?
Yeah, they can invite players. So.
Yeah, can I check something? Can I check something? Nico.
I know any probably find out a blood clot character and blood clot send me invite. Back to
3
you.
versus 3 snipers infected. Sniper mosh pit gunfight tournament. Go to that
So I
one.
go invite.
There you go.
Damn.
That's the free for all.
God damn.
You know you switch up until you get to the knife.
Ouch. You what?
Gunfight, remember? You play with every gun until you switch up to the knife.
God damn.
Yep.
Chinto kill kill. Chinto kill kill. Chinto kill kill. Kill kill. Gunfight now go now. Blood clot nutty.
Worse, it's a tournament.
Ouch. But we know you ain't talk about none of them. But just we, eh?
We will win 3 run through town, upstairs, downstairs, and it's just down.
See how good the right set up.
Tournament, searching for tournament opponents. See that? Ouch.
God damn. Chinto kill kill. Lovely. You see me that played some bit. At least me never it.
The only good thing about this is Newcomb.
Wow.
Ready up.
Man.
Ouch. Cyclone. You, Cyclone, Blitz. So you're taking on Cyclone or Blitz or whoever.
Yeah.
So
Damn.
it's 2, it's 1 versus 1.
One versus. God.
Mano y mano.
God damn. That's scary. That's scary. Most of them boy I wanna be a hack and cheat some of blood clot use man. What's so what?
Maybe it's changed now, but they can't hack into it so easily, I don't know.
Who knows?
Danny
It's your
Daniel,
headset.
dirty liar, ran upstairs and joined the choir. Ouch. Luring match. Joining game lobby. U-ban. U-ban. Isaiah. Look,
Yeah.
U-ban. In the train station.
God damn. Gunfight. Please God these guys ain't using no goddamn cheats and hack man.
Never sure
Let's see if I get a normal body to play with. A normal guy. Not a cyber motherfucker.
Now a cyber psychopath.
All the cheats and hacks, bro. Alright. What second? No second. Oh, my boy is here.
Gunfight. Unity is strength. Isolate and destroy.
That's your team. It's 2 versus 2.
It's all on you, Kamerad.
Blood clot, natty.
Literally a
Pump clot,
No
natty.
work to be done.
You have to get back into the game again.
Where the fuck he was? Good job, man. One day, one day. Alright.
The Westerners leave us weak.
Fucker.
Proves them wrong.
Motherfucker. clot. Blood clot, natty. Radam to go. I know we don't go close. I know we don't. Teammates suck to man. Cap, is that? No. Rubbish
Come on,
teammate.
you need to kill.
We fight to defend peace.
Why you still have blood class in me through that, dog? Why you still have see me through that, brother?
There's more work
Eh?
to be done.
The one down bottom shot you.
Why you still have see me through that? You just using instinct, man, and say,
No,
I'll
it's
shoot
metal.
through it.
I know he shouldn't have been able to shoot through that. That's metal.
Pussy hole.
HVA, you have your orders.
Worthless teammate, come on. Suck your mother. Next one. Suck your mother, pussy. On to you. Suck out your mother.
What a shot.
Suck out your mother.
Boom,
And
boom.
ease up. Batty boy. What you mean? Watch me kill cam. What you mean? Ease out. And go one side with no fucker. Where's the next one? I don't know. I don't know, man. I ease out. I'm gonna keep on killing myself. Pussy. Pussy hole.
Break and engage.
Ah!
How can he shoot you through that?
Blood clot, natty. My teammate, man, a teammate to man, you know, you get me? Cause you see, he just this one guy, you know, I dominate all the way, you know? Just like how me that be the only one guy for me team, I dominate everybody, you get me? My boy Barnes, knows if you're fucking run, come up.
HVA, you represent the people. It's all on you, comrade.
Oh, he still kill me. Oh, he still blood clot kill me, dog.
Take it to them.
Oh, he still kill me. You motherfucker. See, where my boy go? Slide and go dead. Blood clot, no.
Guns up, HVA. Commence your assault.
Teammate, come on, man. Playing weird, dude. Bombo clad, don't fucking kill me. Oh, he kill me. Oh, he kill me. Oh, he kill me. That pussy. You see the thing about it, I hate using this motherfucking gun, man. I don't know why. For some reason, I hate using this motherfucker. Chinito kill. Oh, AJ.
Compromise.
Son of a bitch. I'll play that again.
Stop this one, the first one.
Motherfucker.